Hi guys, with another video. Today I'm gonna show this plunger that is it gonna work or not. A very small, as you see, like maybe I don't know, 10 inch. This is a small, very small sink and drain plunger. Here the measurement. I think. Let me show you, like right there, right here. See, oh, for 6 inch, yeah. 3 inch, 4 inch. Let's try. As you see, look, like it doesn't drain. I had a problem and I decided to go ahead and buy this small plunger. I saw it in market. And let's go ahead and try. You can see if it's working or not. Let me pull this. Okay. Alright. Let's try. Very small. Actually, it's good for the small bathroom sink. Not yet. It's not working, but maybe I need to do a couple of times. Wow, all the dirt came up. Okay, let's see. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. All the dirt came up. Hopefully. Look, as you see, all around here, see? But still is not working. Let's go ahead, try. Wow, look at this dirt. Oh, voila. Oh, I don't know. Let me open it. Open the hot water while you're doing this. Oh my god, look at this dirt. Oh man, it's too much. Woo! Let me pause and let me do a little while. I'll be back. Look at this dirt. Look. Wow, look at this dirt. I mean, this plunger, I just closed this hole. Let me open it. Is it gonna go? No. So it's not helping until now. It didn't help. I think this is the major thing. It didn't help. Let me try a little bit more. Yeah. I'm sorry guys, this small plunger, it didn't work well. I have to try another things. If I succeed, and I will make a video and tell you guys this plunger is not enough for this problem. Okay guys, see you soon with another video. Bye.